Hello， 大家好，係啦，添 Sir 咧今日嚟到呢個塔石藝墟，咁啊睇下咧呢度有啲咩食，有啲咩玩，有啲咩嘢好嘢，我哋一齊去睇。發表你好，你好，
好久不見，
好久不見，你這次擺這個簡位的 booth 怎麼樣？
挺好，挺好，我們都是簡任，而且是澳門製造的，所以他們很有感興趣我們的產品。
哦，那麼這邊的有什麼 recommend 可以分享一下嗎？
對，挺好，後邊也有買吃的、買喝的，有很好的 gelato，最後邊也非常好。
對，有吃的有喝的。有買東西的。對，
有買東西，買禮物，買 souvenir，對。
那麼你這次買這些生意怎麼樣啊？那個 business 怎麼樣？
生意挺好，挺好。對，因為是實體的，而且也有周末有周日，所以對。哦，有感興趣。
好的，你這個 Make in Macau。Yes。對。好的，好，生意興隆。Thank you. Okay, thank you. Hello, Abel and Kate. Yeah, nice to meet you. So, how about your business in here, and what is your recommendation here?
For our shop.
Yeah.
For our shop, so we are Macau Filipino born here.
Yes.
So we want to build the awareness of Filipino flavors in
Yes.
Macau.
Yes.
Yeah, and the recommendation we have is the ube.
The flavors and the calamansi. We are trying to promote more flavors that are not very famous in Macau.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So, is this your first time to join the booth in here?
Yes.
First time?
Yes, first
Oh,
time.
okay. How's the business here? It's okay? 4 days?
It's 4 days.
4 days, but in the second day and third day was better. Maybe the first and last day.
Was very busy, but also we were still like setting up. Yeah, because it was our first time, so we were trying to get to know the market. Today is not so much people. I think the last day is maybe people are
I think
tired.
the promotion is not enough.
Yes.
Yes.
We
Okay.
think maybe it can improve. a bit
Yes.
better.
Yeah. So, hope you and your partner Kay have a good business and all the best. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
阿生，今次咧你參加呢個展位咧，你有咩得着啊？同我哋分享下。
好啊，我多謝文化局啦，俾呢個機會，我有可以咁樣一個平台去展示自己嘅產品嘅。咁我自己嘅得着，其實我係好想客人會俾一啲新嘅靈感啊，或者新嘅意見俾我去更加進步，讓自己嘅產品或者自己嘅作品更加進步咯。例如好似冰新翼咁樣啦。咁其實我當初咧淨係會係畫一啲大三巴或者一啲主要嘅景點啦，但係後尾可能有啲客人講話，咦，其實我去過某個地方嘅景點都幾靚㗎，你可唔可以畫啊咁樣？所以就慢慢促使到我越嚟越多唔同嘅款式咯。
哦 ，OK。咁啊，整體嚟講，你今次都有得着啦，係嘛？
有㗎。
哦，OK。咁啊，希望你繼續成功。好，多謝。
多謝。
通常咧睇咗呢個嘅市集咧，其實咧係做得唔錯嘅。呢4日嘅塔石嘅市集，希望咧文化局咧可以係引入多一啲嘅文化創意嘅主題啦，同埋咧可以引入大灣區唔同嘅商家入嚟啦，可以係讓呢度咧可以係越做越好。咁啊，期待咧下一次咧可以見到更加創新嘅市集。下一次見。